Greenfield Council had already made progress, but the easy wins were gone. 12 months earlier, yellow belt improvements had reduced order errors, but now the process had plateaued at 6.8%. Order volume had grown to 1,200 orders per month across 14 directorates. The remaining errors were no longer random. They followed patterns. So the team moved from simple controls to deeper statistical thinking. The project goal was to reduce errors from 6.8% to 2% within 16 weeks. The critical to quality measure was simple: the percentage of orders with zero defects on item, quantity, and cost code. The financial benefit was estimated at £28,000 per year, on top of the earlier yellow belt savings. The team locked the baseline. Over 16 weeks, they reviewed 4,800 orders and found 326 errors. The error rate was 6.8%, with 82 errors per month and a cost of poor quality of £41,000 per year. The measurement system was checked using 3 reviewers, and the result was trustworthy. The data showed a real difference between the best and worst directorates. The worst directorate had 122 error events, while the best had far fewer. This proved that transferable good practice already existed. The team then investigated wrong cost codes. The root cause was a free text cost code field on the order form. There was no validation, so anything could be entered. Finance then had to reconcile the mistakes later. The team tested 2 changes. One was a mandatory cost code dropdown. The other was a pre-approved supplier catalog. The winner was the dropdown, which produced the biggest reduction. 4 actions were then rolled out in waves: mandatory cost code dropdowns, a pre-approved supplier catalog, bulk substitution alerts, and auto-splitting orders with more than 8 lines. To hold the gain, the team used a weekly defect chart. The procurement manager owned the control plan. Every order was sampled weekly. If performance moved above the control limit or showed a worrying trend, a kaizen review was triggered. This is how Lean Six Sigma moves from quick wins to controlled, measurable improvement. Use SimplicityHub for your continuous improvement resources.